Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to send message with bold effect on iPhone iOS 18. So the new iOS setting comes with a feature called the text effect, and now you can bold in text when you are sending it using iMessage. So here I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to send a message with bold effect on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is open the iMessage app on your iPhone and then select the message where you want to use the bold effect. Now, once you selected the message, go ahead and type your message. So once you type the message, highlight part of the text you want to add bold effect to, like this. So once highlighted, swipe on it like this, and go ahead and click on text effect. Once you selected text effect, you see all the text effect pops on the page. Then go ahead and tap B just before I. Once you tap that, you can just go outside the highlight and then click on the send button. Then once you hit that, the highlighted part of the text is going to be bolded. So that is basically how to bold message with bold effect on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.